Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today guys I'm gonna show you how to adjust the gear ratio in case you put smaller wheels on it, or you take a bigger sprocket or a smaller sprocket. It's very simple. You need to do it if you change anything of this, because if you don't, the speedometer does not show you the correct speed. So that's why it's important. Okay guys, if you set the gear ratio lower, then it's for smaller sprockets. If you set it higher, it's for bigger sprockets. I have a 64 teeth sprocket, so let's go. Okay guys, it's very easy. You have a left button and a right button on your speedometer. So you need to turn on your bike and hold in the right button. Now you see the gear ratio flash. With the left button you go down, and with the right button you go up. If you are on the gear ratio you want, you hold on the right button, you're gonna see blink something. Wait, and it's set. So, oh, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.